The purpose of this demo is to show how to add a Redfish credential in WhatsUp Gold and how to run a successful discovery. A Redfish device is essentially a controller within other devices, like management controllers. For Dell, it's often iDRAC, and in this example, that is what we will discover. We will also look at the devices in the discovered network and how to add them into the monitored network. To add a new Redfish credential, select Settings, Libraries, and Credentials. Here, we can add a new Redfish credential. Give the credential a name, a username, enter a password, and confirm the password. Select the applicable protocol, and you can also adjust the port number, timeout, and retries if necessary. The values seen here are the default values. Click Save, and we should now see the new Redfish credential in our library. Now that we have added our Redfish credential, we can run a new discovery by selecting Discover and New Scan. Enter the IP address or IP addresses of the Redfish device. In this example, we will run a discovery against two IP addresses. We can untick Gateway IP and Local Subnet, as these options are not applicable to our scan. Under Expand, we can uncheck Virtual, Wireless, and Storage options, as these are not applicable to our scan. We will not change any options under Limit, and for credentials, we will only select the Redfish credential previously set up. We will not change anything under Options, nor will we enable a schedule. We can then run our scan. Once the scan is complete, we can filter on the most recent scan so that we are only looking at the devices discovered during the scan. We can select one of the devices and see that the Redfish credentials were applied successfully, and view some additional information underneath. We can then add the device into the monitor network. Now that the Redfish devices have been added into the monitored network, we can select the device and see some information on the device card. We can open up the device properties page and see device information and what monitors are applied. Across the top of the page, we can see device information such as display name, IP address, role, etc. In this case, we can see there are 27 monitors automatically applied to this device. In this case, all of these happen to be active monitors that include fan, power, temperature, ping, etc. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this training.